up YouTube? I am on holiday, so I'm not in my regular spot. I'm actually over in Australia, in Brisbane, at my in-laws place. So just found a little spot that's going to work for a video, and it's super hot over here. So if I look like I'm working up a bit of a sweat or something like that, it's not because it's a hard video to shoot, it's just because I'm not used to these temperatures, high humidity, temperatures 32, 30 degrees Celsius. So anyways, we're going to get into it. I've been using, switch these around, I've been using this, I don't know how long for, the Misfit Phase. It's like a hybrid smartwatch, so it looks, you guys probably seen the video, it looks like, I'm not sure if we're going to get that focus, but it looks like a regular watch, but it can do steps, sleep, all that kind of thing, and also gives notifications for your apps and different things. So you can set the watch hands to move for certain notifications, certain people and things like that. And there's a little window down the bottom that tells you what kind of notification it is. It's really cool. What I like about it is it's you get notifications, but it looks like a normal watch, which is cool. But just recently I've upgraded, thanks to the kind people at Misfit, to the Vapor, which is like a whole new level. This is a full-on smartwatch. So I've been using it for a while, but I've just chucked it back in the box, factory box, so that you guys can have that same unboxing experience and see what is in the box. So just quickly going through what it says in the box. It's got a rechargeable battery, comes with a charger. You can store and play music on the watch, so you can be connected to your wireless or Bluetooth headset and be running and have your music going without having to carry your phone around, which is super handy. Unfortunately, I haven't seemed to find an app that would allow you to do that with Spotify and download your Spotify playlist offline. I'm hoping that they're going to bring that. This watch does run on Android Wear, so hoping that Android comes to the party, or Spotify figure that out. That would be great. But there are some apps that you can use. I haven't got to that part yet. It does come with interchangeable watch straps, and the watch straps are super easy to interchange, which I really like about this watch. It's got connected GPS, so in order for it to receive GPS, it has to be connected to your phone, but they can map your routes and things like that. It's got activity tracking, of course, for running, swimming, different things, swimming, which is cool. It is waterproof. It's got a heart rate monitor, which the other one didn't have, massive upgrade, which is awesome. It can do a bunch of different notifications, and with certain apps I've managed to actually reply and things like that. Telegram is an app I use regularly, so it is able to do that. I haven't figured out whether I can use my messaging in terms of, like, because I use an iPhone. Yes, it does. It is compatible with Google Play and the Android and the Apple App Store. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. Cool box. So it slides open like this, and then you've got two parts. On the first part, you have your charger, which is it's got like a magnetic charger, so it makes sure the watch stays on. And it's got those little pins to charge it, and it charges via USB, or you can plug it into a wall socket and things like that. So that's cool. Hopefully we're not going to get too much like autofocus noise and stuff, because I'm a bit back and forth. My lens is pretty good, but it's not the most quiet. The Sigma Art though is amazingly sharp, which I love. Comes with a little dust bag. And the dust bag is in two different compartments, which is really handy, so you can put your watch on the one side and your charger on the one side if you're traveling or things like that. Means your watch is not going to get scratched, which is really well thought out. Some instructions and things like that, some how-tos and how to put your watch together and all that kind of stuff. And then finally the watch. As you can see, I've done a great job with the little plastic stuff that's holding it back. I'm just going to peel that off, and there's your watch over there. As you can see, it's got some sensors on the back, and there's the full digital display. I haven't turned it on yet. And then it comes with, of course, the watch straps as well. This is an all black watch strap. All black watch is just cool. And what I do like about these straps and this watch is that it's super easy to take the watch straps on and off, which is cool. But yeah, I'm going to show you some little close-up videos of the watch powering up and different things like that. I'm going to chuck the watch strap on and let you see what that looks like, and I'm going to come back and give some final thoughts on the watch. Well guys, hopefully you have enjoyed my overview of the Misfit Vapor. Great watch, I really love it. It's got a thumbs up for me, and I've been pairing it with my Backbeat Fit, which is from Plantronics. Great set of headphones, and they fit really well, and yeah, awesome. Like obviously Bluetooth, so no wires required and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you're into running or swimming or different things, or you just want to like get your heart rate and have notifications on your watch, great price point watch. Here in New Zealand you can pick it up at JB Hi-Fi and also Harvey Norman. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video.